Police acknowledge events leading to the suicide of Jamey Rodemeyer are very tragic, but they say the evidence just isn't there for any criminal charges. News 4's Rachel Kingston is live tonight in Amherst.
Statements from Jamey's classmates here at Williamsville North High School, combined with the comments that were left on his social networking sites, proved to detectives beyond any doubt that he was the victim of bullying. Unfortunately, detectives don't have that one key piece of evidence that they needed to put together criminal charges. That is testimony from Jamey himself. After a thorough investigation, Amherst police have come to the conclusion that Jamey Rodemeyer was bullied in the weeks before he took his own life. Jamey's classmates have described 5 incidents of verbal harassment at Williamsville North High School this fall. And detectives read the messages people left on Jamey's social networking accounts, saying things such as homosexuality is disgusting and why don't you just kill yourself? But the way New York state law is written, harassment charges cannot be filed without testimony from Jamey himself to corroborate that other evidence.
We don't have a statement from Jamey. He's not part of the prosecution. That's a huge element of proof that's missing from this case. Another
legal problem is the age of the bullies. The 3 students involved in the incidents at Williamsville North are all under 16.
Juveniles are held accountable criminally for things like murder or first-degree robbery and certain other crimes. They're very seldom held criminally responsible for acts involving harassment or aggravated harassment or things of this nature.
Chief Askey admits it's not the outcome he personally would have hoped for. He believes, however, that what happened to Jamey has created a greater social stigma against those who bully.
The fact that it can't be prosecuted shouldn't be the measuring stick that we have here. I think people know that it's inappropriate, know that it's not acceptable. But for the lack of the proof, somebody would be going to court with this and be held accountable in the courts.
Now, if at some point in the future new evidence is brought to police's attention, they won't rule out the possibility of reopening this case. But for now, they've covered all the legal ground that they can, and the investigation is, at this point, considered closed. Live at Williamsville North High School, Rachel Kingston for the 10 o'clock news.